Hello, hello. It's Alicia from Quick and Delish. I'm here to show you an awesome recipe for Brussels sprouts. So check it out. I took Brussels sprouts and I just cut off the end, like the end that is attached to the plant, right? So that's the compost. And then leaves fall off naturally. So you put the cut face down on the cutting board and you cut it in half. And then you cut these halves, thinly slice. Thinly slice. I love my cleaver, vegetable cleaver. Okay, so you get the point. You cut them in half, you thinly slice them, and then they're baby cabbages. They're baby cabbages. Here, I'm trying to find a whole one. Super cute, right? Cruciferous family. And sometimes you see a dirty one, and I usually just wash them whole, or after I've cut them, I'll wash them again if I want to, if I feel like they're dirty, because some produce is more dirty than other times. Like potatoes, right? Sometimes you just got to peel the potatoes because you can't clean them enough to get the dirt off, right? So do what you can to clean them. Okay, so what did I do here? I sauteed the thinly sliced Brussels sprouts with some pure olive oil, and then I browned them slightly, and then I added, here I ran out of pumpkin pie spice, which is weird because I usually have like a huge stock of it. I might have a jar of it somewhere hidden. But so I wanted to show you how to saute Brussels sprouts with pumpkin pie spice. Maybe add some fennel seeds. Fennel seeds are great with pumpkin pie spice and Brussels sprouts. But so I ran out of pumpkin pie spice, which is unfortunate. But what's cool? I used cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and then some ground cumin, and then some dried ginger and salt, pepper, and it's delicious. So it's always good to have a backup strategy for something that you want to make in case you run out of something. So that's what I'm here for. So this is fantastic. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to put together this, I'm going to have a snack. I'm planning on going to the farmer's market. That's why I have my sunglasses on my head. So I'm going to put together this meal for you. Okay, so I have, look at how gorgeous these are. I just rinsed a can of kidney beans, red kidney beans. Super gorgeous. So I'm just having a small snack. So the kidney beans, some of these awesome Brussels, sprouts of Brussels, maybe a couple more kidney beans. So I would have warmed up the kidney beans in the Brussels sprouts to show you so that they would be warm. And then I poached an egg. Yeah, I did. So we got a salt and pepper, that poached egg, that's super sexy. And where's my salt? Woo! So awesome. Maybe I have a Meyer lemon that needs to get used up here. Juice of Meyer lemon, or a regular lemon. Meyer lemons are more sweet, and so they actually don't bring as much acidity, which is oftentimes what we're looking for when we're adding citrus, is that acidity. But Meyer lemons are sweet and they're lovely. I don't know how much of this you're going to be able to see, but it's gorgeous, right? Let me show you. See, I'm going to have to make this quick video in order to eat this. What? Of course, I'm, for those of you who can't see like me, I just punctured the lovely poached egg and it's perfect. Okay, so I'll make this short. Okay, so slice the Brussels sprouts, saute them, brown them. Some people add a little bit of water, depending on how cooked, soft you like your Brussels sprouts. I just saute them. Occasionally, if maybe there's a lot of Brussels sprouts in the pan, I might add a little bit of water to help steam them, to cook them more evenly. So what do I have here? other spices to, so I use cinnamon, cumin, and a little bit of dry ginger. So when you use dry ginger, you want to use it sparingly. Like I had a teaspoon here, and I used just like a pinch, and then I sprinkled it around. It's very strong flavor. It's good to use up the ginger. Sometimes we forget to use it. And then fennel seeds are so amazing. I'm going to put a little sprinkling of fennel seeds on my little snack, my pre-farmer's market snack. I love fennel seeds. They might not love me back, but I still love them. And then you could also do nutmeg. I usually have the nutmegs. Once in a while I'll purchase ground nutmeg, but that's usually for, I don't know, making a drink or something. I don't know, like a quick thing. Like it's in a pinch. Oh, it's usually because the store doesn't have whole nutmegs. That's why. So I have a nutmeg grater here. And then you could just grate nutmeg on the Brussels sprouts, and that, oh, it smells so good. I love nutmeg. Okay, love is a little bit of an intense word. Okay, so you get the idea. What else? You could do all kinds of things here. Oh, I was going to show you, so Brussels sprouts with fouilles persimmon. Fouilles! I think that maybe another term of endearment. Fouilles. Anyway, these are great in a salad. And so what I would do with the fouilles is, let's see, the safest way. I just cut the stem off, watching the blade, of course. I didn't do an awesome job of that, but that's okay. So I usually eat the skin. Oh my gosh, you know what? I think I got a seed. And if you get a seed, I didn't mean to point the knife at you. I usually don't do that. I got a seed. It's supposed to be good luck. I think I have like 3 seeds. Oh my goodness. I seriously have 3 seeds. I have to confirm that these are actually seeds. I mean, what else could they possibly be? I mean, the only other, yeah, this is totally a seed. It's a big seed. The only other thing that it could be is rotten. Okay, I don't want to eat the seed. There's something about, yeah, I can't remember if it's a male fouilles or not. Anyway, the pieces of persimmon make really attractive, sweet additions to a meal. So you can make like a warm Brussels sprout, fouilles, and white bean salad, and that's an entire meal, right? You're good. Or butternut squash, roasted butternut squash with Brussels sprouts, white beans, poached egg. Call it brunch or lunch or dinner. I'm using the word love a lot. I don't usually use that when I'm talking about food. I enjoy breakfast for dinner a lot. Well, I think you get the point. So let's see what this is what my lunch now looks like. With the fouilles. So you got the sweetness from the fouilles persimmon, a bitterness, astringentness from the Brussels sprouts, and the proteins from the red kidney beans and the egg, and voila, yummalicious. And I love the colors. I'm all about color. I used to, like in high school, I was that weirdo that wore a lot of weird clothes and like a lot of color. And I did have a tie-dye shirt. But my tie-dye shirt was gray and maroon, so it wasn't like rainbow. I don't really like rainbow tie-dye. There's 2 kinds of people. Anyway, you get the point. Have fun in the kitchen. Don't stress out about it. Put simple foods together that are delicious and go out there and have fun. It's gorgeous weather here in San Francisco the last 2 days. And I'm trying to enjoy as much as I can while we have this lovely weather, because it's going to get cold and it's going to be a different situation. So let's hang tight. We got pandemicking situation for a while. We got to hang tight. We got to enjoy life hang tight and hope for the best. We'll be on the other side of this one day, but it's not going to be anytime soon. And so you just gotta, my way of thinking is let go of the past, truly accept the now of what we can and can't do. Just accept it. There's lots of stuff we can do. Come on, people. And then I'm thinking about finding the different stairs in San Francisco for exercise adventures, so that I can see different views, which is super fun. And then rain or shine, right? Rain is a temporary moisture situation. We just got to get home and get some hot tea or soup or whatever. So what was I saying? My thing is let go of the past, right? Our attachments to the past. Truly accept the now, what we can do, and then hang tight. That's all we got. And I look forward to seeing you in the future. If you are inspired by any of these ideas today, please like and share. YouTube will like me more if you like and share. I really appreciate your support, and to be continued. And until further notice, enjoy quick and delish eating.